Hi there, it's Wires from KiwiLifeNZ.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Google map. Now, if you can see on KiwiLifeNZ.com, if you scroll right to the bottom, we've actually got a custom map, and you can click on each of the pins, and you can see a small link to our website here. So this is a way of showing you where we've been in New Zealand and elsewhere. So to make this, you just go to the link in the description below, and you can see the website is called google.com/maps/about/my-maps. And all you want to do here is click get started. So as you can see here, I've got the Kiwi Life one, I've got an untitled map. So let's just go ahead here and click create a new map. Now if you're not logged into Google, go ahead and log into Google or make an account. Click here, create new map. And as you can see here, you can change the map's name. So I'm just going to name this Kiwi Life. You can add a description if you want. So as you can see here, we've opened our new map up. Now we've got our layers over here, and what the layers means is a cluster or group of pins together that you add from Google Maps. Now we're just going to rename our layer here, and let's for example go with Tapo. You can name it whatever you like, but I'm just going for this for categorization's sake. Press save on that, and I'm going to get this address up here, and I'm just going to paste it here and search it. So if you have an address of a place, you can just search it and you don't have to click on the map. So I'm just going to click search here. I'm going to go right there and press add to map. Now as you can see, we've got our layer selected, so that means when we click add to map, they will be added to this layer. So when we go over here, we can actually edit some things. We can edit the name of the place, so I'm just going to change it to the kebab place in Tapo. We went and reviewed it, and it was a very nice place. And now you can also add a description. So if you just like a description, you can click that, or vice versa. So I'm just going to leave that at name and press save here. Now you can also add a photo. You can do that on the previous one, or you can click this button here and just upload a file. Now you can click save here, and you can also do one more thing. You can change the style of the pin. So you can click on style, and I'm going to change it to yellow, and I'm going to change it to the food and beverage option. And as you can see there, it's changed it on the pin. So let's say you want another layer, and we've already got this layer done called Tapo. Now let's add a layer called Auckland. So you just click on the add layer icon and click on the untitled layer here, and we're just going to type in Auckland here. Press save, and now we're going to go scroll up to Auckland because that's where I want to go. We're going to go downtown, and we're going to go to the Sky Tower. So we can click on Sky Tower as it's listed as a major landmark, or other places that may be listed on Google Maps, and you can press add to map. And now we've added the Sky Tower, and that is because it's on the Auckland layer. Now let's say we actually wanted this on the Tapo layer. Now we unselect Auckland, and just for this video I'm going to unselect Tapo, and I'm going to reselect Tapo now. I'm going to click on Sky Tower. I'm going to press add to map, and we've added Sky Tower to the Tapo categorization layer. So if we want to delete this because maybe we made a mistake, now you can click over here and you can click delete feature. Now remember, when you are using Google custom maps like this, to have all of your stuff viewed on the view tab, when we get to that later, you're going to have to click all of them. So click all the layers you want selected. Now you can also add custom points. So you can click here, add marker, and let's say we want to add it at this specific point in Victoria Park, and we'll just call that point 2, and we can save that, and we can call it whatever we like. because some things have multiple events at some places, and for our sake as well, we'll have to have places with multiple marks in the same place, so we can't keep selecting the same thing over and over. You have the same options to add a video image, and you also have a description. You can click save here, and you can also change the style. And as you can see there, we've done this for this. Now for also major landmarks, you can also change the style as well if you want to. Now, how do we view this? Now, we can press preview. And this is how the map will look when it's shared to the people we want it to be shared to. So if you can see in Taupo, if we click on this one, the kebab place will show up, and that's quite cool with the photo. And as you can see here, it will pop up with point 2, which is Victoria Park, and if we just zoom in a wee bit, then we can see the Sky Tower as well, and that's listed as the Sky Tower. Now we can go over back to our tab over here, and if we want to share this, it is really easy. You just press the share button, and you press get link. Now you can also share it with people in emails, but to be honest, I think sharing the link is a little bit easier. So you can press change who can see the link, and I'm going to press anyone with the link can see it, and they're all viewers. Make sure they're viewers, and press done. And make sure you've copied that link, and you can send it off any way you like. Now you can also embed this on your website, so get someone who knows how to do this, as it is a little bit tricky if you don't know what you're doing. So all you want to do is click the 3 dots up here, and you can click embed on my site, and it's just a simple iframe which you can copy and paste in the HTML file on your website. And to be honest, that is quite easy, and you can look up some tutorials on how to do that. Just copy that and put that on your front page or any other post you like. So as you can see here on the Marvelous Buddhist Temple on KiwiLifeNZ.com, if you scroll right to the bottom of our pages, you'll be able to see where we've been. So as you can see here, if you click on the Marvelous Buddhist Temple, you can see the address. You can see in the description we've got the link to our website for the review. It is a very, very magnificent place. I would highly recommend going here. And we can see the name and also the photo we've uploaded. And if you zoom out, you can also see the other places we've been, like the fantastic noodle market in Victoria Park. And that is also quite a neat place. And you can also see the restaurant we've been to in Taupo. It is one of the finest kebab places in New Zealand, and I also highly recommend going there. So thank you very much for watching. I'm YS from KiwiLifeNZ.com. Make sure you go and check it out. We have some awesome posts about places we've been to in New Zealand and elsewhere and beyond. So make sure you go check it out at KiwiLifeNZ.com. Stay safe, guys, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.